name is Maria Karbovska and I'm going to practice today division with the stem game with a divisor that has a 0 in it. And before that, the children have been practicing quite a bit golden bit division, stem game division with divisors that are larger than 1-digit divisor, like 2-digit or 3-digit divisors. Hi Raphael, hi DC, thank you for coming. You know, friends, yesterday I noticed that you were working with the stem game division and you were looking through our division problems on the shelf, and you came across a few problems that looked a little bit more challenging than we usually do, and you were confused, you were not really sure what to do with them, and that's why I decided to invite you to this lesson today. We are going to work with this problem, with this division problem. And what do you notice about, what interesting do you notice about our divisor today? What is so special about it? That's right, it has a 0 in it. Okay, let's start. As usual, we are going to start with building our dividend. Raphael, can you please do it? Raphael is doing it. 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 600s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 5,000s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see if we have the number that we have in our dividend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,000. 600. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 84. This is it. And now we are going to put out our divisor, which is DC 406. That's right. Okay, so we are going to need 6 unit skittles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, Jason, what are we going to do with our 0 on the 10th place? That's right, we are going to use this placeholder. And 4 hundreds, that's right, 100 skittles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's distribute them. Now we're available space. Okay. And in division, as usual, we are going to start with this distributing the largest place value. In our case, thousands. Great. So let's start with distributing thousands. Okay. And what important to keep in mind that if we had tens, we would give them our hundreds, right? But we don't really have, but we need to remember that we would distribute our hundreds to our tens. So to keep it in mind and to remember, we are going to move our hundreds just below our tens, would be tens, and continue with distributing tens to our unit skittles. Okay, we just got our first row. Let's see if we have enough stamps to distribute among our 100 skittles. No, we just have 1,000. So that's not enough to distribute evenly. So we are going to exchange it, that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And since we are going to distribute now our hundreds, this is our largest place value. Left, we'll just move it back and start with distributing our hundreds. Again, if we had any tens, we would give them our tens here, but we don't. But we still need to remember that we have some. Remember that we need to keep this place anyway. So for us to remember, we'll just move our tens just below the place value holder. And units. We have only 4 for our 6 unit skittles. Not really enough, right? What are we gonna do? We didn't distribute these tens. We just keep them here because we need to remember. So we'll exchange one of them into 10 units. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we have enough to give our unit skittles fair amount. Okay, we just completed our second row, and we can start with the third because we have plenty of hundreds left. Again, we keep our tens here to remember that we would have given our tens to tens if we had any. And units, we still have enough. Okay. We completed our third row, and we have enough for the fourth. I see that we don't really have enough units, so we are going to exchange our 10, the last 10, for 10 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I see that we still have plenty, enough hundreds for our 100 units, or 100 skittles. And enough units to distribute among our unit skittles. Wow, looks like we were lucky because we don't have any remainder left. So this is it. And the answer in division is always what one whole gets. So what one whole gets in our problem? Let's see. Our unit skittle gets 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So let's write it down. 4 units. Thank you for coming to the lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. And we always keep in mind that if we have a 0 in a divisor, we do need to remember to keep this place value and move our corresponding stamps just below this marker.